everyone, Sandy here. I'm going to do a little quick showcase walkthrough on this little junk journal that I made. I'm calling it an Accordion Junk Journal. I designed this for a Country Craft Creation Design Team project using Simple Stories Vintage Weathered Garden. So I have a detailed tutorial on how to make this, but I wanted to do a quick little walkthrough to share it with you. So here on the front, we have some weathered seam binding ribbon. Of course, this is available from countrycraftcreations.com also, as well as the paper collection. And you just untie this. It is a loose closure, so that means you take the ribbon completely off and set it aside. On the front, I use lace from Country Craft Creations, some buttons and fabric from my stash, a punch from my stash, and all these are the little ephemera floral bits and pieces that you can order that go with the Simple Stories Vintage Weathered Garden. So I've also used a pack of the basics paper, the solids. I use that to make the base of this. So it's not made out of cardstock, it's made out of the Simple Stories paper. So I have some music note paper tucked in here, and I use this punch that I have in my stash and this butterfly from the bits and pieces. So it opens to the right like this. On the inside we have a little pocket with some more of the lace and a little tag that slips inside there. And this is a hidden paper clip. I show you in the tutorial how to make that. So that just slides off. And then we have these pages here for journaling where I inked all the corners. And so then this slides right back on. It is a paper clip. There is a metal paper clip inside that to keep it on your page. So it slides on like that. And then on the back side here, I just tucked in one of the cut-aparts from the collection. So here's a tuck spot with some more lace. I just tuck in some bits of the paper and some of the cut-aparts. So it's really pretty. There's some really pretty elements in the bits and pieces that you can use in this collection. This flips this way. We have another belly band type tuck spot with a tag. And then this just folds out. I used a lot of the paper to just fold and make different junk journal elements in here. This is a real pretty lace from my stash that I tied around the pocket. There's a center pocket, and inside I tucked in this little fold out envelope that I'll show you how to make, and a little piece of paper that I stamped on that you could take notes on. So that just slides under the wraparound lace, and inside the pocket I inserted some different elements. This is a cut apart that I folded in half and tied some of the thread on. And everything has been inked with the archival coffee color ink that I got from Country Craft Creations. So this is another cut apart that's just folded in half and tucked inside the pocket. And this is the same thing. So I love how all that sticks out like that, and then you flip it over, and then under the lace here I have more that you can fold up. This is a tri-fold from the paper where I punched the corners. And this is another one folded up like this. This is a cut apart. And then that just sticks in under there. Here's another tuck spot, a little piece of the paper. I kind of did a little layering here and used some of the bits and pieces. And that just tucks in behind the butterfly. And then here's another tuck spot. Use some more of that lace. Another little piece of the basic solid paper, one of the elements from the bits and pieces that tucks in. Another set of pages to journal on, and then in the back cover we have a tuck spot here at the top like that. And then when you turn it back to the front, well, it's accordion, so it opens to the right like this, and you have another pocket here with a tag. Another set of journaling papers, tuck spot with more papers that are folded in half from your scraps. Just tuck that in. Here's a little one that folds out that's a cut apart. Tuck that one in there. And then this folds this way. We have another tuck spot where I just put in, and I'm not going to unfold this one. It's a piece of scrap paper. I folded it up and tied the string, and then a loose piece of the white paper that you can journal on. And then this is the paper clip on this one. So it just slides off here at the top. It's a wider one. and so it holds all the pages together. So again, I show you how to make this hidden paper clip in the tutorial. And so that's my accordion junk journal using Simple Stories Vintage Weathered Garden and their basics kit and their bits and pieces. So check for that on Country Craft Creations. I also made another one that I will show you in the tutorial video using Country Craft Creations exclusive love letters. So I made 2 of these, one for a sample, and then I did this one on the tutorial. So thanks so much for checking everything out. Come join me on the tutorial. Thanks, everyone. Be sure to check out countrycraftcreations.com. Bye-bye.